Good morning. It is Friday. It is 11:19 a.m. We are headed to breakfast and we are going to go to the Broken Egg Cafe, and then we're going to go to Charlotte. We're going to go to the Goodwill outlet. He's super excited about the Goodwill outlet.
Start singing in a minute.
No. And then we're...
You coming home?
Anyway, we're gonna go to the Goodwill outlet, and then we're gonna go to Ikea, and then probably gonna go to the South Park Mall, which is like the super fancy mall.
Did you cut out my singing?
I did, because they have a Louis Vuitton store in there, and I want to go. So we're gonna go first and get some food and coffee, because I need some coffee, and it's freezing. And I will check back in later. update time. We have just returned from our Ikea excursion, and I picked up a bunch of Ikea bags, like 5 of them. And then we also got this mat. It's a blue mat, and we got a trash can. And we ate some yummy Ikea food. And he bought an end table to make some sort of DIY server rack that will be in an undisclosed location out of sight. And we're about to go out for dinner, but I don't know where yet.
McDonald's.
We're not going to McDonald's. But that's my update for now. I will check back in later. It's the end of the day and I'm about to go to bed. So that's all I have for today. And I will pick this back up tomorrow. So good night. Bye.